Hey guys, this is Dr. Thanu. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video you're going to learn how to lose weight without doing any exercise. Do not worry, I'm not going to tell you to do any strict dieting because I'm completely against starving yourself in the name of losing weight. On a general note, doing regular workouts, yoga and stretching is really good for your health. So if you have an option, please do follow that as well along with these tips. Tip number 1, take a step back, look at what you are eating, how you are eating and how much you are eating. I'm going to tell you an open secret here. You create calorie deficit, you lose weight. But you create calorie deficit with unhealthy food and junk food, you lose weight, also you'll have hair fall, bad skin and bad health. Sometimes it also affects your metabolism and leads to much faster weight gain in the future. Now coming to tip 2, how to create calorie deficit in a healthy way. You're advised to eat foods that are very nutritious and also low in calories, such as ragi, oats, egg whites, boiled vegetables, boiled sprouts and water-rich fruits. Also, please do not forget to add enough protein in your diet. You can also eat foods such as walnuts, almonds, lean meat and non-fatty fish. Tip number 3, good quality and quantity of sleep, because a well-rested sleep keeps your gut healthy and content. If you are sleep deprived, your body increases the hunger hormone called ghrelin and also decreases the satiety hormone called leptin, which increases the hunger and also the urge to do unhealthy snacking such as sweets, junk foods, fatty foods. Which means you'll not only eat more food, you'll eat more junk food. So try your best to get a good quality and quantity of sleep, that is 6 to 8 hours according to your prakriti. If you are having trouble falling asleep or if you are suffering with insomnia, please do check out a post that I made on insomnia on my Instagram account. According to Ayurveda, your stomach capacity is divided into 3 parts. In that, 1/3 should be filled with food, 1/3 should be filled with liquids such as soups and curries, 1/3 should be left empty to aid in proper digestion. Also practice mindful eating. Remember to take your time and appreciate what you are eating. Now coming to tip number 5, no snacking. Most of the time we eat because we are bored, not because we are hungry. Sometimes we are so preoccupied with our work, we mistake thirst for hunger. And another important thing is, sometimes we try to relieve our stress by eating a snack. So next time you pick up a snack, ask yourself these questions. Am I hungry or am I just bored? Is this nutritious? Will this help my body? Another reason I said no snacking is because Ayurveda strongly believes if you have the habit of snacking in between meals, it causes indigestion, which results in ama, which results in increase of toxins in your body. After each meal, you are advised to leave your system alone until the meal is completely digested before you add more food into it. Tip number 6, the right way to drink water. The correct way to drink water is to sit comfortably and drink it in sips. Do not drink too much of water and drink water only when you are thirsty. But these days, with so much of work and stress around us, many of us don't listen to our body and even ignore subtle cues. So keep sipping water throughout the day and remember to sip water only when you're comfortably sitting. Tip number 7, no sugary drinks. That means no processed fruit juices, no Coca-Cola kind of sodas. Strictly avoid everything with added sugar in it. Tip number 8, this is an awesome tip again, that is fasting. Ayurveda highly advises fasting once a week or 15 days once. This helps you eliminate toxins in your body and also gives enough rest for your digestive system. Do not fast more than 8 to 12 hours a stretch. You can take water during your fasting, and when you finish your fasting, finish it with warm and easy to digest food such as a bowl of rice porridge or a no spice khichdi. You are not advised to take any food that is heavy in flavor or heavy in nature. If you are having any ill health, medical condition, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you are below 18 years or above 60 years, I do not advise you to do any fasting. Tip number 9, practice Kapalabhati pranayama and Brahmari pranayama. These two pranayamas greatly help you in burning excess fat. There are excellent Apatarpana procedures available in Ayurveda for faster weight loss. If you are interested in them, please do consult an Ayurvedic doctor and get a personalized prescription. I hope you'll follow all the tips I mentioned in this video and benefit from them. If you want to stay connected with me, please do follow me on Instagram. If you want to book an online consultation with me, there is a link in the description box below. Please go through that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay healthy.